So hello guys, welcome to another video. So in this video we are gonna see how we are gonna create a complete 30-day calendar for your YouTube content creation journey. So guys, in this video I will show you how we are gonna use DeepseekR1 version to create 30 days content for your YouTube channel. So if you are a graphic designer or if you are a web designer, so suppose I have just added, like, let's say I am a web designer, and also, so guys, suppose you are a graphic designer or you are a web designer or video editor, so you can ask DeepSeek, like, I am a web designer and also learning graphic designing for YouTube, and I am also lead expert in advanced video editing, and I need some 30 days content ideas for my YouTube channel. So suggest me 30 trending YouTube titles for title in this category. Okay, in this category in 2025, as for it can help me to rank on YouTube in 2025. So now all you have to do, just click the DeepseekR1. So when you click the DeepseekR1, it means chatbot will think about your prompt, then it will give the answer. Let's see how DeepSeek will answer to this prompt, like, I am a web designer, also learning graphic designing for YouTube. I am also lead expert in advanced video editing, and I need 30 days content ideas for my YouTube channel. So suggest me 30 trending YouTube title in this category in 2025. As for it can help me to rank on 2025. So guys, let's see. I'm gonna hit enter. So guys, as you can see, it's thinking. So it says, okay, so this user in a web designer who also learning graphic designing. So after clicking the DeepseekR1, so as you can see, the chatbot is thinking about your prompt, then it will give the answer. So let's see. So it's thinking a lot, guys. This is really crazy. So now it's giving the answer, like, here are 30 trending YouTube titles ideas trailed for expertise in web design, graphic design and advanced video editing, optimized for 2025 trend and SEO. So guys, you can get any categories title from DeepSeek. So at first it suggests me 5 titles on web design and development, like 10 AI tools every designer must use in 2025. Dark mode dominance, how to design sleek interface for 2025. Then it says build a website in 60 seconds 2025 AR powered design tools. Guys, then it suggests me 5 on graphic designing and for YouTube, and it also suggests some more for advanced video editing. So guys, this is really good. You can get your full 30 days content if you are running a channel in graphic designing, web designing or advanced video editing. So guys, I have just asked, like, can you create me a 30-day calendar for all of the content you generated me? Create a calendar which can help me to pick a right time to upload all of the videos in YouTube. Also suggest me what time is the best time for uploading videos on YouTube. So guys, I have just added a simple prompt to create a 30-day calendar according to the content that DeepSeek generated me. So guys, let's see. So I'm gonna hit enter. Sometimes it takes too much time. So it says the server is busy. So I have already created the content calendar. So let's see. So guys, after creating the title, you can go for to create a 30 days calendar for your YouTube. Like in the previous time, I have just added a prompt, like, can you create me a complete calendar for 30 days and time to upload all of the videos to YouTube. Also suggest me some tips how this gonna work. So guys, as you can see, DeepSeek just created me a 30-day content calendar tailored for graphic designing YouTube channel, including video titles, uploading times and tips to maximize engagement and growth. This plan is designed to help you stay consistent, build an audience and rank well on YouTube. So guys, as you can see, I have created a 30-day content calendar for your graphic designing channel. So I have just created a 30-day plan. So let's just see. So it says day 1 and video title 10 design trends you must know in 2025, and it suggests the uploading time like 10 AM. So as you can see, DeepSeek just suggests you to upload a video at YouTube at just morning 10 a.m. So it also suggests the notes like start strong with a trending topic, use eye-catching visual in the video. So guys, as you can see, it says also the day 2 how I made 10,000 as a graphic designer. Then it suggests the uploading time at 4 p.m. So it suggests the timetable like one video in 10 a.m. and the other video in the evening 4 p.m. You can create a 30-day content plan for your YouTube channel, and you can create a complete 30-day calendar. At the bottom, it also suggests like best time to upload on YouTube. Okay, morning 10 a.m. great for catching viewers who are starting their day or taking a break. Okay, and then afternoon is 4 p.m. is the best, like ideal for reaching viewer after school or work. Weekend, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday tend to have a higher engagement. Okay, then weekends, Saturday and Sunday are good for longer, more in-depth content. As you can see, I have just asked to create me a 30-day calendar, and it also suggests me the best time for upload. It also suggests me some tips to make this work, like batch create content, record and edit multiple videos in one sitting, save time and stay connected. And optimize SEO, engage your audience, promote on social media, collaborate with others. So it giving you the complete process how you're gonna create a 30-day content calendar, also how you're gonna make this work. Like see tips to make this work. You can come to DeepseekR1 to create your complete YouTube journey. You can get your complete 30-day calendar from DeepSeek. So guys, thank you so much. Create your amazing content ideas from DeepSeek. You can use ChatGPT, but DeepSeek is right now the trending AI chatbot, and it's creating something really wonderful. So guys, thank you so much. You can create a complete 30-day content calendar for your YouTube channel. Thank you.